Yo, what's up YouTube? This your boy Anthony here back with another video. And today I'm going to show you guys how to install the side skirts on the 2016 all the way up to the 2018 Chevrolet Camaro. And this can go on any trim, so it doesn't matter. I put this on first before I made this video just to make sure that I know what I'm doing. And I'm going to share with you guys everything that you possibly need or what I use to get these installed. So let's step into this. So far, I know a lot of people advertise about the ZL1 Addons. I saw this piece here. This is used for your pinch weld. Same thing that works as ZL1 Addon. The only difference is I think this bottom part is magnetic, but I got this from Amazon. I'll put the link in the description for like 14 bucks. I got this hockey puck or whatever. It can be used as well, but I wouldn't recommend it. I just bought this just to lift this piece up. This is about like 10 bucks and it comes in a pack of 2. And then you need a jack, of course, to stack on top of this, because pretty much this setup will go like this. And then you slide this under the pinch wells underneath your car. And you need one of these too. Any type of power drill that can fit underneath. Now, the pinch wells is this here underneath your car. These are your pinch wells. So with this piece here that I showed you, or your ZL1 Addon piece, you just, let's see, can I get this here? I don't know what you guys can see. You just slap that underneath there and it'll stay. And then you put your hockey puck on your jack, lift it up, and it'll lift your car up from there. Pretty cool. And that's pretty much it. I'm gonna just show you guys with me putting it on, using the stuff that I used, and yeah, keep watching. Like that, that wraps this video up. I hope you guys learned something from this video. I had to switch out, get out that hoodie, put a cap on because it started burning up and getting hot up here. But yeah, I hope you learned something from this video. Hope you guys learn where to jack your car, how to jack your car up properly using the pinch wells, and hopefully I showed you guys some alternatives. Instead of using the ZL1 add-on product, you can use some other products, third party, and you can save yourself about 30 bucks, because I know the ZL1 add-on with them, all the other stuff, I think it came out to like $60 or $80. So the setup that I showed you guys, that came up to $40 or less. And now I'm going to just show you guys pictures and everything that I have installed. Pretty much the ZL1 1LE spoiler by C7 Carbon, of course. The latest addition here is the ZL1 side skirts carbon fiber, and of course the ZL1 1LE front splitter and carbon fiber. Yeah, so like that, I appreciate you guys for watching this video. Make sure you smash that like button, smash that subscribe button, and also drop a comment below. Let me know what you think. Let me know what this video helpful for you guys, and see you in the next video.